She likes coming and sitting on this pillow or this cushion because it's next to the parents' cage over here. But I like her sitting on the cushion as well because she's then very easy to pick up. And she can be moved around and have me not pay attention and trip over everything. And I can move her back to her cage if I wanted to. I'm not going to though because she just came from her cage and that'd be mean to put her back in. I'm going to go put it back where it was. So she'll be like, oh, what was the point of that? There you go. Don't worry, sweetie, I'll turn you around. I'm sorry, I put you in the wrong face in the wrong direction, didn't I? How rude of me. How unbelievably rude of me, eh? How was this little creature not one of the cutest things you've ever seen? This little fluff ball. Hey? That's a good girl. I'm making a lot of good videos today for you guys. Have a lovely afternoon.